Hi guys, welcome to another edition of our installation videos. Today we're going to show you how to install the 4930 Polyurea crack and spall filler. As always, we will start off by our safety gear. We need to put on our booties, sleeves, if not wearing a long sleeve shirt, respirator mask, and eye protection. The 4930 is a two-component material formulated for use as a rigid spall and crack filler. We're going to start by using a 1/8 inch diamond blade to clean out the joint of any debris and rubble that may be inside there. Followed by using a crack chaser blade to get a beveled edge on the crack itself so the material can flow into the crack. We're going to vacuum the crack now to pick up any of the dust or debris that may have fallen in there. Optionally, we can use a wire brush to clean out the crack itself. Pass over the crack one more time with the vacuum after you're done. The mix ratio on the 4930 is a 1:1. You want to mix this in small batches of approximately 8 ounces of the A and B component each, as this product has a very short pot life of approximately 3 to 5 minutes at 75 degrees. Mix thoroughly for 30 seconds with a jiffy, mixer, or stir sticks. Keep in mind, this product was designed for experienced installers, as this is a professional grade product with a very short working time. Apply the product into the desired area as quickly as possible, as the gel time is approximately 5 minutes, where the full cure where you can grind it will be in about 20 minutes. Be sure to overfill the crack slightly so we can grind it down flush once it is dried. After the product is cured, we'll grind the product down either with our 7-inch grinder or our large walk-behind floor grinders. Make sure you pass back over the crack to smooth out any high ridges on the joint filler to knock it down flush with the concrete. For the smaller divots and spalling, we'll use a wire brush, 4-inch hand grinder, and a brush to clean up the dust, and then vacuum the surface after that. Then we will apply the product, let it self-level, and then we'll grind it down nice and flush. As you can see guys, it's nice and flush and it's ready to coat. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.